Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everybody, this is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Hope everyone's doing well, and I want to say thank you very much for taking precious time out of your day to spend it with me to see what I have. So, someone told me that Hobby Lobby had a new, I don't know, I guess artist who has items just at Hobby Lobby right now, and there's some diamond paintings that I'm going to assume has created, and it's the Jonathon Adler collection. He's a potter, designer, and author, and he launched his brand in 1993 after leaving his job to pursue his first love, pottery. So he's offers a span of furniture, lighting, accessories, and more, plus iconic interior design projects and retail locations worldwide. So anyway, this is a diamond painting, and this is what it comes in. It comes in this nice tube. This one is 24 inches by 36 inches, and it has the contents listed on the back. Pre-printed canvas. It's 100% polyester, pre-sorted diamond art gems in 43 colors, the stylus, a grip cover, craft tray, wax caddy, and an instructions sheet. So that is what this says. Now, this particular diamond painting it says $39.99 on my receipt, but on here in the US it's listed as $49.99. And honestly, I mean, I'm going to assume I paid $39.99 for it since it's on there. But it comes in this nice tube with this very nice satiny string. So we're going to pull this out and see what we have. Oh, it's scalloped. I see that. And it is in a dust cover. I'm not sure how this opens. Here we go. It's rather large, so hopefully we'll be able to see all of it here on this table. So it is scalloped. It is not poked, but it is scalloped. Oh goodness, this is pretty big. So this is, it says Jonathon Adler and at Michael's. And I think I might have said Hobby Lobby, and I apologize, guys. It wasn't Hobby Lobby. It is Michael's. But this shows you tips and tricks on how to diamond paint in both English and in French. And then this drill train, oh my goodness, look at all these colors. Now, I will not pull these out. They are round drill. I do not believe it didn't list any special drills in here. Oh, those are beautiful. Look at the purples. Maybe I will take them out. We'll see. In the kit, we get a spouted blue tray, dark blue. I've never seen this color wax, but it's a very dark blue, and you get two pads of that. Our pen with our squishy, and it's got his initials, J.A. on there, and you get several baggies. So and that's what comes in the toolkit with this. I'm sorry, somebody's phone is going off. I'm going to give this a roll backward. It is poured glue. I said it had 43 colors. It does have 43 colors. Just give it a quick roll backward here. This is very large. And then we'll have a look at the canvas itself. And I have it upside down. So this is what, oh my gracious, this is what the canvas looks like. This will lay flat very easily. There's butterflies. There's beetles. I see dragonflies on here. Bees. Yeah. So it's a canvas full of bugs. But it is pretty. I think it's pretty. You guys let me know what you think. Drill field, let's see. A lot of color blocking in the background. Now, I think you could probably hang this either way you want to, but I don't think it would make much difference. However, this is the way that it is to be hung. There is a number at the bottom of the canvas down here, and that number is on each of the little bags of drills. Cover sheet, let's see. This cover sheet is very nice. It's not too thick, not too thin. Let's see if I can get that back on there. I don't have my straightener over here. But again, dragonflies, beetles, butterflies. That is gorgeous. Here is your drill field. Very nice. Very nice drill field. All right, let's see. Let's see about these drills. I'm gonna tilt you down so you're looking at the canvas. And I will take these out. There are letters 1 through 26 are uppercase letters, A through Z, and then 27 to 32 are numbers 3 through 8, and 33 down to 43 are all symbols. These drills are beautiful, very shiny. They don't look, they're amazing. They look amazing. I'm not really seeing any dimpling in what I'm looking at. So I'm not sure if these are resin, but they appear to be resin. So here we go. Sorry about that, guys. Here we go. Look at that bright orange. I mean, these are, can you see the shine on those drills? Beautiful. Love that green. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then all of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 bags of number 42, which is 38.46. And that's all the background, guys. That's beautiful. That beautiful turquoise color. Oh, goodness. All right. And then we have these. Look at that. Oh, my. How pretty. These are gorgeous. So this is available at Michael's. It is available online and in store. So I will put the link in the description box below if you are interested. And again, just, let's see. Let's move back a little bit. And you can see most of this beautiful, beautiful canvas with these very colorful, beautiful butterflies on here, dragonflies, and bugs. There was no name on this canvas, so again, I'll put the link in the description box below. And thank you, each and every one of you, for joining me today to see what I had to show you. Remember, show the love of Jesus in everything you do. Be kind to others, even when they're not kind to you. Give someone a kind word or a smile. You never know what a difference you'll make to that person that day. God bless each and every one of you. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye now.